Namaste everyone. Welcome to Aikyam, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 5, Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Panchamodhyayah Karma Sannyasa Yoga अर्जुन उवाच सन्न्यासं कर्मणां कृष्ण पुनर्योगं च संशसि यच्छ्रेययेतयोरेकं तन्मे ब्रूहि सुनिश्चितम्. Arjuna said, O Keshava, on the one hand, you advocate abandonment of action, and on the other, you encourage yoga. Now, tell me with clarity which one is better among two. श्रीभगवानुवाच सन्न्यासः कर्मयोगश्च निःश्रेयशकरावुभौ तयोस्तु कर्मसन्न्यासात् कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते. The Lord of Sri said, both abandonment of action and selfless action lead to boundless happiness. However, of the two, selfless action is better. Nyayasya nityasannyasi yo na dveshti na kankshati nirdvandvo hi mahabaho sukham bandhat pramuchyate. A person free of both hatred and desire is always renounced. Indifferent to dualities, he is freed from all bondage and easily attain liberation. साङ्ख्ययोगौ पृथग् बालाः प्रवदन्ति न पण्डिताः एकमप्यास्थितः सम्यग् उभयोर्विन्दते फलम्. Now in this sloka, only the ignorant and childish people think that a life of contemplation and a life of selfless action are different, but in reality, both yield the same result to the person following either one. यत्साङ्ख्यैः प्राप्यते स्थानं तद्योगैरपि गम्यते एकं साङ्ख्यं च योगं च यः पश्यति स पश्यति. Contemplative life and karma yoga are one and the same and take one to the same destination. One who perceives this sees things as they are. सन्न्यासस्तु महाबाहो दुःखमाप्तुमयो गतः योगयुक्तो मुनिर्ब्रह्म न चिरेणाधिगच्छति. Yet, abandoning action without yoga is difficult. So, O Arjuna, and the sage who is practiced in yoga quickly attains the absolute. योगयुक्तो विशुद्धात्मा विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः सर्वभूतात्मभूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते. One who practices yoga and is thus able to control senses, conquers his mind, and with purified intelligence is able to attain oneness with the self and remain free and unentangled even when in action. नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् पश्यन् शृण्वन् स्पृशन् जिघ्रन् अश्वन् गच्छन् स्वपन् श्वसन्. Now a person who is steadfast in yoga knows the things as they are. They think that I am not doing anything even while I eat, see, hear, touch, smell, walk, sleep, and breathe also. Pralapan Vishrujan Grihnan Unmishan Nimishannapi Indriyanindriyartheshu Vartanta iti dharayan. Even he is not doing anything, just in the case of evaluate, accept the things, and even blinking his eyes, it is not me. He was very conscious about that. Who does all this? But the senses that are doing these. So he knows the knowledge about that. ब्रह्मण्याधाय कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यते न स पापेन पद्मपत्रमिवाम्भसा. Just as a lotus leaf remains untouched even when lying inside a water, so a person who works without having any attachment towards his actions and ascribes them to Brahman remains untouched by evil also.